Hello guys, I'm Mary Orlans. Welcome to my channel. Today I can do making orange chicken. I cut little pieces. And now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of beef flavor, and 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Mix it. 1 teaspoon turmeric. Mix it well. And then now I'm going to add 1 cup of rice flour. Going to add half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon beef flavor, and 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Mix it. And now I'm going to add water little by little first, guys. Going to add a little bit more. I'm going to add 1 more. Mix it well. Okay, that's it, enough. The water is enough. So now I'm going to put the chicken with the flour. Mix it well. Okay, now I'm going to fry. Going to put some oil. Okay, going to fry right now. Okay, wait a little bit, guys. I'm going to flip it. Flip it all of them. Wait a little bit, guys. Okay, it's cooked already now, so I'm going to take out all of them. Okay, all done, guys. So I'm going to add a bell pepper to the chicken, guys. I cut it little pieces. Right now I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of ketchup, and I'm using apple cider vinegar, guys. Add 2 spoons of apple cider, and add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it well. Right now I'm going to mix the chicken with the sauce, guys. Pour the sauce first. Oh guys, if you like sweet, you can add more sugar for you, okay? Because I don't like sweet, so I just add a little bit sugar for me. But if you like sweet, you can add more sugar for you, okay? So right now mix the bell pepper first. And now mix the chicken together. Oh guys, don't add any water, guys, okay? Okay, it's done, guys. This will be my dinner today, guys. And I'm going to eat with the rice. Let me try right now. Tastes so delicious, guys. Tastes really good. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye.